Hi friends, welcome again to Weld Tech QC, the YouTube channel of Lloyd's Institute of Technologies. I am Vincent again. Today we will be continuing with welding test positions for pipes. In our last two parts, we have seen that we have completed the welding test position for plates in groove welding as well as fillet weld. Today we will be explaining you about the groove weld of pipes welding test positions. So let us start. Now next is welding test position for pipes, that is groove weld as well as fillet weld, like what we have seen in plates. Now we are going to explain what are the welding test positions for pipes in groove weld and later on pipes for fillet weld. Okay. See the pipes. Two pieces of pipes are to be joined. The test position for pipes for groove weld is known as again 1G only. It's 1G. Here what you have to do is your welding position will be always flat. Means your welding position will be downhand always. Here you will be welding it here, and as you are welding, the pipes are rotated. The pipes are not fixed, it is rotated, so that your welding position is flat. That means from top you will be welding like what you are doing it here. Okay, you can rotate these pipes, but your welding position will be from here only. That is in flat position. So that is also known as 1G. 1G for pipe means pipe is kept horizontal and welding is done flat, and pipe is rotated to keep your position flat. Okay. Now the other one is 2G. Welding test position for pipes in groove weld. Your pipe is kept vertical and fixed, not rotated, and your welding is done horizontally. Pipe is fixed vertically and welded horizontally all around. Your pipe is not rotated at all. You have to move around. Okay, that is the position 2G for pipes. Okay, like what you are seeing here. The pipe is fixed here, and the groove is done, and the welding is started, and you have to go all around these pipes, all around you have to welding. Not to rotate, not to move the pipe. You have to move. Your positions will be moving, but always you will be welding horizontal position weld on pipe. Now this is a position. There is no 3G and 4G in pipe according to AWS, American Welding Society, or even ASME. There is no welding position in 4G or 3G. After 2G, it is directly 5G. Please remember that. That is very important point. Sometimes getting confused, the students, the AWS students or C6 students getting confused, or even the new engineers. So it is, please keep it in mind. For pipe welding position, there are no 3G or 4G. It is 1G, 2G, then 5G, 6G and 6GR. Okay, I will be explaining all those things later. So let us see this one, 5G. Okay, welding test position for pipes in groove weld. Okay, here your pipe is kept horizontal, fixed. Okay, you cannot rotate. In 1G, you have been rotating the pipe so that your welding is done flat, in flat position. Here, your pipe is fixed. Okay, all around this, you have to move, your positions will be keep changing. Okay, the welding will be done from top, it will be flat, then you will be doing vertical, then overhead. All these positions will be done in this position in 5G, like what you have seen here. You can see here in our lab. Okay, the welding is being done. The pipe is fixed horizontally. It is fixed. You cannot move it. Here you are starting it, and you will be moving around, and all around you will have to complete. So you will be completing 3 positions in this 5G. That is flat, you will be welding in flat position, you will be welding in vertical and overhead position. Okay, now let us see the next position. This is the most tested positions in for the pipes all over the world. That is 6G pipe, 6G position in pipe welding. And I mean 6G is only in pipe welding only. There are no 6G in plates. Okay, please remember that also. So here the pipe is fixed in 45-degree inclined. Pipe inclination fixed 45-degree. This can be a little bit, that is plus or minus 5 degree. That even the other welding or plates also a little bit like 10 to 15 degrees is allowed, plus or minus. Okay, it cannot be perfectly flat or perfectly horizontal or perfectly vertical. In other positions also, it can be in some cases up to 15-degree plus or minus. But in this case, it is plus or minus 5 degree according to AWS D1.1. It is plus or minus 5 degree. 45 degree is the requirement. And your pipe is fixed, not rotated during the welding. You will have to weld all around, all position will come, and on an inclined pipe fixed at 45 degrees. Here you can see the actual one. Okay, it is fixed at 45 degree. You will have to weld all around this. Okay, in the next one we will be explaining you the next most complicated welding positions for pipe test positions, that is 6GR. Okay, this 6GR, for the 6GR welding I will be explaining it in another video, a short video, because a lot of detailing should be explained. Only then you can properly understand what it means and how it is to be, the setup needs to be done, and what are the purposes, etc. Okay, so that will be done in the next video. Until then, goodbye and thank you. Thank you for watching.